What up, fam, and welcome back to our channel. I'm Dale.
And I'm Jazz.
And before we get much day, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell to be notified when we drop goodies like these. Welcome back. Welcome back. It's such a treat. Great play, fam. Come on, let's eat. So, we've been doing pretty good, so let's continue here. Let's get the video to 1K likes, shall we?
Please.
Shall we pray?
Amen. We have Chinese food, everybody.
Yes.
They got sweet and sour chicken, honey chicken, and lo mein. We have Szechuan chicken and lo mein. How y'all doing? What y'all eating on? Let us know down below.
We got a lot of new family members. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Y'all can be anywhere on these YouTube streets, but y'all should be here with us, and for that, we truly appreciate you.
And this food is heavy. That's why we want to hold it up.
We got no broccoli, so naturally we got more of all the other vegetables.
We were in a veggie mood.
And sometimes broccoli can be way more overpowering because it's so heavy.
So big.
And it gives so much sometimes.
It's good.
So very good. We went to our usual spot.
And now we're at our other favorite spot.
Because it ain't broke, don't fix it.
True. And there's a lot of people at the airport today.
You guys have been seeming to like the combination style video, so I'm going to definitely try to bring more of those. Which, that's easier for us to do. Like Jazz can eat lunch. I can eat something different. Put them together. And you guys get to see both of us.
So you missed it. We've been mashing up videos. So watch to the end.
We weren't all the way doing what we semi-started with. We were doing the dessert videos.
Oh, it's pop.
They gave you extra sauce. They knew.
Oh, you took your glasses off. My glasses are from PD Shades. They are now, or for the month of May, to the end of May. They are buy one, get one half off.
Let me tell y'all something.
So get you some.
Putting these shades on, it's like putting your own personal set of tint on your eyes. I'm telling you. Like, it looked like you looking through about 20% tint. So I had to take it off so I can actually see if the camera, because the camera looked like I'm looking inside the car that got tint on it. So them boys definitely keep them UV rays about your eyes.
And we have no napkins. So our chins might be a little greasy. But it's okay, that means you know the food's good.
Like whole mushrooms.
Bell peppers. I don't even remember bell peppers in there. With the broccoli.
Carrots.
Cabbages.
It's the works. It's the works. It's it's the works.
It's good. How are you guys adapting to the no mask world?
Confused yet?
I'm very confused. Very scared. How is everybody liking well, not liking, but how everybody feel with their vaccine? I know we asked that a few months ago, but I think everybody should have their second shot by now. So we asked, you know. And I wanted to ask y'all something else, but I can't remember.
It might come back to you.
It was definitely about the pandemic now. Oh, it was about going out to eat.
Oh.
Cause I really want to go out to eat with my family. So if you go out to eat, how's it been? And what do you do? Like what? Precaution. We've been on vacation, but we cooked on vacation.
I'm gonna say not the same.
And I mean, we do get fast food. But I don't know, sitting at a table is different. Because first of all, I need to know how close I'm gonna be. Yeah.
People touch things.
People touch things, and how close I'm gonna be to the other table and stuff. I really want hibachi.
I have to double check what I think. People are just to the point of where herd immunity almost. If not.
Yeah, if I ain't got it by now, I ain't gonna get it.
Herd immunity, like enough people have been vaccinated to where it's not as critical to the populace.
Oh, I get what you're saying.
Because we all as a collective are human beings. So that's our herd.
Right. Definitely still a little nervous though. You know me.
It's still fresh.
I think if I was a child, I wouldn't be as scared.
Because they don't really know.
But I got childs. I know that's wrong, y'all. I'm just being funny. But I got
make it worse all the time.
That's country. Country in me. But yes, I got kids.
That's the
so I'm
what I'm saying.
Terrified. You know what I'm saying.
Son of a gun.
What? You wasted on that shirt?
Yep.
What it is? Duck sauce?
Yep. You know it.
Why do you do that?
It's that crib.
Shut up, baby, show.
It's that crib tonight.
May I have a little of that, sweet and sour?
What's your man? Don't even belong to me.
Oh, shit. Sorry, y'all. I done cussed and everything. It came out fast. It went everywhere. And how y'all doing in general? Thank y'all for watching old videos and checking in up on us while we've been sick.
Yes.
Your thoughts and prayers.
It definitely was a crazy hurdle.
Your Aaron Don eye. All that.
Because it wasn't so much as
Stay on me.
the stress, it just was the back to back to back
Like
to back to back to back to back to back to
Yes.
back to back. Because when it rains, it pours.
Okay.
And boy, did the season go out with a bang.
But we didn't have to put the medicine on his eye. We just had to give him some medicine.
And it helped heal his eye.
We're gonna show y'all before and now.
Oh yeah.
Cause she went from 100
to zero.
This almost better.
It is almost better. They tore their chicken up.
We tore this food up too.
And fast. Y'all food was good?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't get them Chinese often. Well, they get the fried chicken, the lemon pepper chicken. I was like, y'all ain't getting that today. You know they did stick with chicken.
Different chicken.
Yeah, it's a different kind of chicken. Y'all, not to be trying to complain. I'm just saying. We went to Popeyes last night and got a family meal. And do y'all know they gave us 6 breasts?
Tell about how many pieces back.
12.
No wings.
Y'all, I was really upset.
And that was for the kids. So guess what we still had to do? Cool.
You're not hot anymore? Okay, good. Your food, you done? You okay down there? You burping. You look like you've been a bus.
Burping, growling.
Yes.
A little hard.
Man, these vegetables was good.
Amazing.
What's wrong for that? Look, I'm picking my chicken out now. Look, I don't even want the chicken no more. Give me the veggies.
I have like 1 piece of chicken per piece of veggie though.
Yeah, you the strategic eater. Excuse me.
Didn't even happen that way this time. Perfect.
But
It's just the way things panned out.
we're panned out and delicious, I know that. Hungry.
That's a fan, really.
We know we've been missing a lot, but when y'all find out why,
Well, we've also been having
worth it. Other than the mishaps. I'm talking about the
we still have 2 more appointments.
in between that.
Where they need to look at all the stuff at the house because microwave went out, the refrigerator in the in-law suite went out.
So we've been doing a lot of waiting around.
Went out. Dishwasher went out. And although it was all supposed to be handled in 1 appointment, they broke it up to 5.
They'll come one at a time.
And they're about, a week and a half overdue. But so far, of the things that have been evaluated, 2 are gonna be replaced or new, which the new.
Yes, we gotta buy some more, baby.
Noodles or chicken?
Noodles and chicken.
There's only rice there.
They said they want some more, y'all.
Oh, who was eating Wendy's?
You said you wanted to eat Wendy's.
No, I said who was eating Wendy's?
Oh, who was eating Wendy's?
Yeah.
Somebody at the airport. They going trash.
You guys?
Oh wow.
No, it wasn't us.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's like 6 Wendy's bags. The trash can in front of us, guys.
Here's meals. Somebody probably do the same thing we did. Came and ate at the airport. I'm telling y'all.
Let the kids
It's the spot.
watch the airplanes.
Yes, because I'm telling you, this airport did not used to have this much traffic.
No.
Oh, babe, you know I was hungry. My food was good. I didn't even drink nothing the whole time. I was wondering why I was eating all my food.
See, it does matter drinking
But
in between and after.
you know why I wasn't drinking? Because my food is saucy.
Yep.
I
And
be
it's
drinking
not
with my
Chicken.
yes, and it's not spicy. I eat with my. I mean, I drink with my
You
food.
said what's up?
Some chicken.
We gotta get some. I don't.
He said, "Oh, I forgot."
Yeah.
But I drink with my food because my throat was dry. Like after so long, I can't swallow no more. It's like I need some moisture.
You need some help.
Yes.
Calm down.
Man, they were popping.
So it's been really eventful. So they still have to come out to look at the garbage disposal as well as look at the stove, because the stove head
Put this in the
unit,
box. I don't want it. Waste no more juices.
the
Thanks.
stove head unit, it works when it wants to. So they're gonna come out to see if they're gonna be able to repair, or it's gonna be a replacement as well. So, and same thing with the garbage disposal. So we have some shopping to go do as far as looking at them, because they have 2 recommendeds, but
Excuse me.
you can either get their recommended or you can
okay
pay out of
back there?
pocket to get what you want, and they'll reimburse you up to a certain limit. And that's probably what we're gonna do realistically, so that we can get things that are gonna have the warranty that we want on it, so that everything can kind of be in one area, like refrigerator, stove, microwave, everybody on warranty at the same time. Is way easier to keep up with than this over here, this over there.
And y'all, McDonald's got orange high C back, if you ain't know. That's what we drinking. Oh, they gonna end the show. But you know what, end the show? Thank you so much. Yes, he let us eat all our food.
Hey.
Okay, buddy.
Hey.
So we finna get he out and get on the road and finish running our errands. Shout out to all you guys.
We're gonna get him out, or we're gonna get on the road?
We're finna get him out, and
I'm
then
just kidding.
oh,
Yeah,
we're finna get him out, and then
I'm trying to let this
no, you can't
You're
let
not
it
gonna be able to
down.
let it down.
Yeah, you
because
gotta
my
do it with 2
thing,
hands.
Yeah.
So we love y'all, fam. Stay safe.
Stay blessed. Be the life someone else to emulate, because you never know what your kind of words and gestures could do for the next person.
Period. And if you made it this far,
What's wrong?
it might not be the end.
Remember that.
My friend. We bike and we got donuts.
Goody.
What? Just a little break. I put some blockers on. We bike and we got donuts. Krispy Kreme donuts. Not hot,
Right.
but
We had to drive home.
I don't know how hot they still should have made it home. Well, It was a lot of traffic. We weren't even supposed to be coming home.
Nope. We had another destination.
I got frustrated. Ooh, too many cars.
Donuts usually don't last long because
The million after.
the bites.
Mm-hmm.
The first bite usually always take it out.
Mm-hmm. How many donuts can you eat?
I was thinking about when we had did that.
The donut challenge.
Mm-hmm.
I forgot about that. Until you just said it. You know. How many donuts did we eat?
I don't remember.
You done?
Me too.
No. We need more food.
My babies ate the paper of the towel.
He ate the paper towel.
It's just big.
He took a bite in the middle of it.
Maybe he didn't mean to.
Mommy,
I want the water.
Donuts do make you thirsty.
I'm not there.
Yes, I might.
Okay, we're finna get ready to go. We were sharing our donuts with the fam. I wish our other Krispy Kreme was open. But unfortunately, he caught on fire.
That's why I only ate one. They taste a tad stale, mate.
To you?
Yeah.
Oh man. We be having completely opposite taste buds.
It's just out of fresh.
No, no taste very, very fresh. But not stale.
The sugar seems like it was sitting up, my friend. Maybe from this morning.
I was thinking about that. Do they be just having donuts from the morning, then warm them up before they give them out the window?
Where can I put this?
That's how it tastes.
Paper towel.
Starbucks water.
Right?
So-
Best Bob.
That's why I was trying to go, but it was too much. It was too much traffic. I couldn't.
Yo!
Yes, we're gonna get ready to go. I said I'm going home. Okay, we love y'all, fam. We finna go. You see, we got motion up in here. Thanks for joining us. Until next time.
We need what, son?
We need to call the who?
We need to call the coat man.
And what we gonna ask the coat man for?
Speed coat.
Speed coats. And what we going with the speed coats?
Not coat, code, baby.
He's saying the coat.
Coat or code?
Coat.
With a T?
You talking about like a jacket or coat?
Or you talking about, yeah.
I'm talking about like a jacket.
Okay.
We need speed jackets to speed to the beach. But then we'll run into a car. We need to jump over a car. Then how will jump there?
I got the whole plan like mapped out.
We need to jump like Jack.
Would you jump like Jack?
Yes, ma'am.
J-A-C-K.
He just filling us in.
Okay, son. Boy, you got the whole plan. Son, you know what? You're very intelligent. He told us we need some money. We're going to put it in the bank. Now he just told us, first of all, he said we need to go back to the beach. He said, can we walk to the beach? I said, no, son. It would take us a long time. Like days. Maybe like 30 days. He said, we need speed coats. We need to call
Got a coat, man. I thought he was saying speed codes because, you know, like hacks and codes. And I'm like,
He's talking about he's trying to walk there on an adventure. We need speed coats.
Yes.
I'm done.
Yes,
Bay has the best
that took me
ideas. Yeah, we're gonna start asking Bay what we need to do.
Can I call the coat man?
You got his number?
Why we there? Look how we call the coat man. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
That's the number?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We're trying to call him, okay?
Yeah. We're gonna see if he gonna answer. So if the coat man doesn't answer, what's your next?
The coat man.
If the coat man doesn't answer, what's your next choice after the coat man?
3, 9, 5, 5, 4.
Okay.
I knew he was gonna say 5, 5.
Yeah, you knew. You know the number too?
6. 4, 3.
Just a big brother instinct.
4, 3, 2, 4, 5, 5.
Okay. Who number's that?
The coat man phone number.
He got that many phone numbers.
I guess he got more. He got coat man on standby.
Okay.
I need so many phone numbers for the coat
This is
man.
real life. Y'all, if y'all would have just seen those fingernails.
2, 0.
And they're not going all over the car, they're right here on his lap. But this is real life. We just want to tell y'all that they want to call coat man. We couldn't just sit there and laugh at that, y'all.
That much
My baby got the plan.
phone number.
That's that much phone number.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my goodness.
We're gonna try to hit him up though. See what he say.
See if we can get us some speed coat so we can go back to the
'Cause
beach.
I wouldn't mind, you know, like
Running to the
speed.
beach.
Yeah.
So do we have to follow the speed limits, babe?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh man.
There's no speed limit.
What about our luggage? How's our luggage?
And who's gonna call the horn?
What about our
he's not
luggage though,
strong
Alex? How's our luggage gonna get there?
We need. Y'all know how to drive to the beach? We need 5 to 4. We need 5 to 4.
Oh really?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
You just look. I'm gonna do it for you.
No, I don't need you. I'll do it when we get home.
Yes, ma'am.
There you go, buddy.
Bye,
Now you
friend.
look like a human being, not like a caveman.
Mommy just wanna do it.
Well,
Yeah.
I just said I'm gonna do it.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
Good job. Love y'all, fam.
Nah.
Supreme on the beat, you know it's a kill.